I frequently complain about fantasy sword designs because a lot of them would, quite frankly, not even work as actual swords. So let me give an example of a fantasy sword that works. This is the Darksword Armory Wolfsbane, and yes, they did send it to me for review. However, I still think that it's a really good fantasy design. And that's because it doesn't add spikes out of nowhere or weird curves or any holes or anything that other fantasy designs have. It just sticks to a theme. And that theme is wolves. It has a wolf up here, the handle has wolf motifs on it, and the crossguard, you guessed it, has wolves. And the coloration sticks with that theme. It's dark brown and light brown. And that theme really helps to bring it all together and make you think something besides just sword when you look at it. And while this does look like something that some medieval knight or royal or bodyguard would be using, it also looks like something that could be seen in the hands of Aragorn, Jon Snow, or Geralt of Rivia. And that's what a fantasy design is. It's still incredibly functional, but it fits the setting. And wolves just really work in any fantasy setting.